In this video, you'll discover how to make an intricate pattern illustration.
Here is the artwork we will get by the end of this video lesson. I will make this illustration on 100% cotton paper, which is cold-pressed and has a weight of 300 GSM. This pattern consists of interlocking geometrical shapes with straight lines, so I am using a ruler to transfer the drawing. The preliminary artwork was done on tracing paper, and because it is fully symmetrical, I can turn over the tracing paper and transfer it line by line onto the watercolor paper. The design is quite intricate, and in order to avoid a lot of erasing, it is better to draw on the tracing paper first and then transfer the finished design. All lines here are rather bold. This is good, because they will be an integral part of the artwork. When the drawing is done, it is time to decide on colours. I have to pick only 6 colours for the job. This is when self-made colour swatches become very handy. The first colour is French ultramarine, and I also use cadmium yellow, green and purple colours. In addition, Winsor red and Winsor blue green shade colours can be added. It is a good idea to test the chosen colours on a separate piece of watercolour paper in order to see how they compare with one another and look together. I would like to test the difference between cadmium yellow and cadmium yellow deep. When you make colour swatches, you should put the paint names next to them. This is especially helpful for future reference. As suggested by its name, the cadmium yellow deep has a deeper colour than the cadmium yellow, so I will use it for this artwork. Cadmium yellow deep comes with a richer and darker colour because, in addition to the yellow pigment, PY35, it also contains a bit of orange pigment, PO20.